Hi folks, I'm Gary Dunshit, Big Ben Saddlery, and this month's tack tip, I want to just show you a little deal. It's kind of fun. It's called a trick braid, and your strings aren't cut out on either end, and so that's why I call it a trick braid. You get it braided without a loose end anywhere, and it's a pretty simple little deal, and you can make some fun little things for the grandkids, or a collar for your dog, or a bracelet, or whatever you want out of it, but mostly it's just fun to know how it's done. This one has all been finished and evened up. We'll kind of go through it here, and I'll show you the way you go through it. First thing you do is find out what width you want, and you can do any width, and it's a 3-plait, and so just because it works so good, we took a 3/4 inch wide piece and then set our compass at 1/4 of an inch, and you go down both sides and mark it. That gives you 1/4 inch on the left, 1/4 inch on the right, and there should be 1/4 inch left in the middle. And just go ahead and cut it. And depending on your project, how long you cut it. I'm going to go with one here that's cut a long ways, and then some of them, like this one, has been started and it only comes out even every 5th pass. You have to make 5 passes and then turn it through itself, and it comes out even. If you try and do it on the 4th or the 6th or anything that's not a multiple of 5, it's all messed up. We'll start on this, and I'll kind of show you how we go. It's a 3-plait, and you can go under one like that, or you can go over one. Up to you. I usually go under. So we got 3. It doesn't matter if you start on the right or the left. So we're going to go under one, and that's 1. And you just alternate sides, right and left. So that's your number 1 pass, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. And I'm doing these tighter than I want them, because when I come back and have space at the end, I've got to readjust the tension on it, and this is going to be let out. So with 5, you just kind of pull on it. It should kind of come through itself, and it's even. Now I'm going to do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 'There's 5. And you pull on the 2 outside ones, it ought to just kind of turn through itself. And you have to play with it there. Comes out straight. I'm going to do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There, it came out straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Straight. See, we're even. I'm going to do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just wherever it looks like it wants to turn, we'll turn it that way. Let it go that way. And then it'll come out even. Okay, I'm going to see if I can get 5 more on this, but I don't know if I can or not because you kind of run out of working room. May have to do 3 and then turn it and then try and do a couple more. Here's 1, 2, 3. I'm going to let it come through itself there. 4. 5. And there it came out even. So I'm going to quit there on this one. And now what you do is just start braiding it back. I turn it around this way. Tack this end down. It's better if you run the tack through the leather. And just start tightening it up. You're just re-braiding it from the opposite directions, all you're doing. But I think that's easy enough for you to see what you're doing there. You just keep on bringing it down here where you did it real tight. It's going to loosen up and hopefully be real even and look real nice. And if not, turn it around again. And whatever you're making, be sure and leave enough leather on the ends. Like if you're going to put a buckle on one end and the other end that you're going to buckle into, you got to have enough leather down there with holes and stuff in it. And the other thing you might do after you get it all braided and evened out like you want it is hammer it down a little bit. That'll just make it flatter and smoother and work a little better. Well, hope that helps you out in some small way. If we can help with anything else, feel free to give us a call. Thanks for watching.